Hey guys, just want to give you a quick review on this Arccaptain MIG200 welder. I have this thing for roughly about 8 months. This thing is a 6-in-1 multi-process welder, which means you can weld with solid wire, flux core, spot welding, stick welding, lift TIG, and also you can use a spool gun with it to weld aluminum. Things that I like about it, the big display and everything is digital. You can save up to 9 different settings that, let's just say you're working on a project and you don't want to go back and trying to figure out your settings, you can just save them in the machine. Another thing that I like about it is that it comes with a adapter, so you can use this machine with 110 volts or 220 volts. As you can see, it welds pretty good. It's still welding the same as day one since I own it, and all the welds are really clean. This was my first welder with Synergic control, and the thing that I like about it is that the machine pretty much adjusts all the parameters based on the voltage and the material you're gonna be working on. So if you don't know how to set up your machine, this is gonna get you really close of getting a good weld. However, you can also do it manually and just make the settings where you can adjust your wire speed, voltage, whatever you need to adjust on it. I don't know if this welder will be good for a working facility where you're gonna be working on it 24/7 on it, but as far as any person out there with just making little projects here and there on the weekends, or any hobbies that would like welding, perfect welder for that.